Hey guys, it's Matt, welcome to SpeedTutor, and I wanted to show you one of my most favorite assets that you can get from the Unity Asset Store, and it's all about creating things in full screen. So you can make the entire Unity editor full screen, you can make the game view full screen, use multiple monitors fully full screen, and also have specific tabs which are also built up, and they can be all fully full screen too. And it's a really awesome asset to increase productivity, which I install in every single project that I ever make, and it's really great for if you want to do level design and things like that. This is a premium asset, and it does usually go on sale when sales come around, but I thought I'd share it with you guys, so be sure to check out my Patreon to get access to over 170 different scripts, assets, and projects you cannot find anywhere else, and check out all the links in the description for all the best Unity sales, humble savings, and so much more. So you can navigate to the Unity Asset Store and search the Fullscreen editor, which is currently $20, but as I say, you can usually get it on a deal. And then if you want to install this package, you can go to Window, Package Manager, make sure you're on Packages, My Assets, type in Fullscreen Editor, and you can download and import. Once that's been done, you get a toolbar at the top which will have a selection of items. You also have preferences to change basic parameters, and you know when we're in Unity and on maximum resolution, it doesn't actually play full screened even if we've got the maximized on play. We still get the bars around it, so if we wanted to record some additional footage or to be able to see this in a nice editor view, or we wanted to truly focus on the scene, if I want to focus on the scene, I can press Shift and Space, then I do get a large view like this, but I still get the Unity UI cluttering it, and I might want a way to just select different objects without that clutter around. So with full screen, we can go to full screen, and you've got an option to full screen on play or focus mode. So say I want to do the actual scene view, which I just want that fully full screen, I can press F11 or tick the box, and now I have a fully full screen scene view, which I can see around here and get rid of it with F11 as an example. Other things, you can press F12 to do the main view, which gets rid of the top and the bottom bars, and you can use the Unity editor without any extra examples. So now if I go to full screen and make sure full screen on play is on the example, and then I press play at this time, as long as my game view is maximized, we get a fully maximized game view with none of the Unity UI around the edges. So we can record this really nicely as if we were playing a standalone build when we built out the game to run in Windows. Now there is one big takeaway from using this asset too, and I've got a video on looking at when you've got the scene view and the game view open at the same time. It does impact on performance because it's rendering both things at the same time. Now this asset, this is optimized in such a way that windows behind that full screen window are not rendered anymore, so there's no overhead on the rendering that you would have when all of the editor is open at the same time. So only the current view that is maximized will be the thing that's actually rendering. So do let me know what you think of this awesome asset, and be sure to check out all the links in the description for all the best sales, savings, and everything you can find in game dev. Be sure to have a look at my Patreon to get access to over 170 different scripts, assets, and projects you cannot find anywhere else. Check out my great assets on the Unity Store and massive savings on my website. Big thank you to all my patrons, including Peter Steiner, Raheem Whittaker, Gene Pommy, Manus Barakas, Walter Dunson, Rennie Leisure, Alyssa Faden, Daniel Getajank, Ishikawa Takuya, Hush, Thomas Merceleski, Callum Murray, Mark Rondu, Marvin Church, Osame Abdul, Hoglan Nigan, Josh Huang, Thomas Lopez, Curry for Life Gaming, Aaron Lin, Professor Arnold, Sunu, Songji Park, Mercury27, Brandon Mannion, Austin Certain, Jean Wyquade, and Duan Cooper. And thank you to everybody else who comes to watch the video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Cheers.